Everyone, Steve Kozlowski, Century 21. We are through the month of May 2025, heading into June. Summer's here, hot weather, mugginess. But I want to talk about the real estate market and what happened in May. So what we've seen is buyer demand stay pretty steady. We've also seen inventory rise just slightly, but that's been pretty flat overall. What we have noticed is new listings are up. And obviously, this past month, there has been enough buyers taking those homes off the market. But that's something to pay attention to. Not that I have a crystal ball, but I want to just, look at past years to start paying attention to the buyer demand. So the buyer demand seems to typically lessen or at least start to decline a little bit come end of June, early July. So that's something to pay attention to once we get through the next month. See if that has any, movement as same as the prior years. But right now we're seeing buyer demand very steady. We are still seeing part of our strategies, price reductions with homes if the market doesn't feel the condition meets the price. And we're also seeing just more navigation through each deal, right? There's a lot of uncertainty in the world, so there's a lot more negotiations and different things like that to get a deal done. Definitely, definitely lean on a trusted, experienced agent to get these deals done. I've had quite a few this past week that have definitely tested us, and it's been a good experience, and I'm glad I was part of it to help navigate it because it was a good challenge for all. So if you have any questions, this is definitely not the real estate market that we saw a couple years ago. But at the end of the day, the prices are where they were a couple years ago at the height. So we're seeing slight adjustments depending on where you are, but really neighborhood dependent. So if there's anything I can do to help you know what it's going for or what it would realistically sell for, happy to have a discussion with you, see if I'd be a good fit. But again, leading into the next coming months, we got to pay attention to the buyer demand, see if that lessens a little bit, and especially with the interest rates where they're at going the opposite way, going up instead of down. We'll need to pay attention to that because that could mean a longer, days on the market, more price reductions heading into the second half of this year. So any questions on that, give me a call. Happy to discuss, and hope everyone is having a great start to the summer, even though we're a little, ahead of schedule. But let me know if I can be of any assistance. Thank you.